Mom, can I go Jessica's house? I, I, I passed this homework today. Okay, give me. This is not correct. Go to your room, study hard today, and go your homework. Go. Okay, Mom. I'll go to my room. Are you going today? Cannot with Jessica today. Not stay. Oh my gosh, it's stay. I don't care really what say. Steak. The mistake.